Whispers of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE have been circulating for weeks. Leaks, rumors and speculation have fueled the fire. Everyone wants to know what Samsung has in store for this fan-favorite device. The Galaxy FE line has always been about exceptional value. It takes the best features of the flagship S series and makes them accessible to a wider audience. The S24 FE is no different. It's a phone that promises flagship-level performance without the flagship price tag. Samsung fans, get ready. The S24 FE is here and it's poised to shake things up. This phone is packed with cutting-edge technology, sleek design and powerful features. It's a phone that's built to impress and it definitely lives up to the hype. In this review, we'll dive deep into what makes the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE so special. From its stunning display to its impressive camera system, we'll explore every aspect of this highly anticipated device. First, impressions matter. And let me tell you, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE makes a statement. The design is sleek and modern, with a premium look and feel. It's a phone that exudes elegance and sophistication. Samsung has always been known for its attention to detail, and the S24 FE is no exception. The phone features smooth, rounded edges that make it comfortable to hold. The placement of the buttons is intuitive, and the overall build quality is top-notch, but it's the colors that truly steal the show. The S24 FE comes in a range of vibrant and eye-catching hues. There's a color for every personality, from classic black and white to bolder shades like lavender and green. Whether you prefer a subtle and understated look or something bright and bold, the S24 FE has you covered. It's a phone that's as stylish as it is powerful. The display is the window to your smartphone soul, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE doesn't disappoint. It boasts a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Trust me, this screen is a sight to behold. Colors are vibrant and punchy with deep blacks and bright whites. Whether you're browsing your favorite social media feeds, streaming movies or gaming, the S24 FE delivers an immersive viewing experience. But it's not just about the colors. The 120Hz refresh rate makes everything buttery smooth. Scrolling through web pages, animations and gaming are all incredibly fluid. You'll notice the difference immediately. And let's not forget about outdoor visibility. The S24 FE's display gets incredibly bright, making it easy to see your screen even under direct sunlight. No more squinting or searching for shade. Samsung has knocked it out of the park with this display. It's bright, it's sharp, and it's incredibly responsive. This is a screen that truly elevates the smartphone experience. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE packs a punch. It's powered by the Exynos 2400E chipset, a processor designed for speed and efficiency. This phone can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a multitasker, a gamer, or just someone who demands the best performance, the S24 FE delivers. Apps launch quickly, games run smoothly, and switching between tasks is seamless. The Exynos 2400E is no slouch when it comes to graphics either. It handles demanding games with ease, rendering graphics smoothly and delivering an immersive gaming experience. Samsung has optimized the S24 FE for performance, and it shows. This is a phone that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, no matter how demanding you are. In today's digital age, we're capturing more memories than ever before. Photos, videos, apps, games, it all adds up. That's why having ample storage is crucial. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE understands this need. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and a choice of either 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. That's plenty of space for your apps, games, and media. But Samsung didn't stop there. The S24 FE also offers expandable storage via a micro SD card. This means you can add up to 1 TB of additional storage. Yes, you read that right. With the S24 FE, running out of storage is a thing of the past. You can capture every moment, download every app, and store all your files without worry. Section 6. Capture every moment. The camera is one of the most important features of any smartphone, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE doesn't disappoint. It boasts a triple rear camera system that's capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in any situation. The star of the show is the 50-megapixel main camera. It captures incredible detail and clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments, the main camera delivers exceptional results. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera lets you capture more of the scene. It's perfect for expansive landscapes, group shots, and architectural photography. And with the 12-megapixel telephoto camera, you can get closer to the action without sacrificing image quality. The S24 FE's camera system is incredibly versatile, allowing you to unleash your creativity and capture the world around you in stunning detail. And let's not forget about the 10-megapixel front-facing camera. It captures stunning selfies with natural skin tones and plenty of detail, from low-light photography to portrait mode. The S24 FE's camera system excels in all areas. This is a phone that empowers you to capture every moment, no matter the situation. Section 7. Power through your day. Nobody wants a phone that dies in the middle of the day. Thankfully, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has your back. It packs a powerful 4,700 mAh battery that easily lasts all day long. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing social media, or playing games, the S24 FE's battery can keep up with your demanding lifestyle. And when you do need to charge, the 25-watt fast charging gets you back to 100% in no time. Samsung has optimized the S24 FE for power efficiency, ensuring that your battery lasts as long as possible. This is a phone that you can rely on day in and day out. Section 8. A smarter mobile experience. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.0. This means you're getting the latest and greatest version of Android with a host of new features and improvements. One UI 6.0 is Samsung's custom Android skin, and it's designed to make your smartphone experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. It's packed with features that enhance productivity, customize your device, and make everyday tasks easier. From improved notifications to enhanced privacy settings, One UI 6.0 elevates the Android experience to new heights. This is Android at its best. Section 9. The ultimate smartphone experience, the Samsung Galaxy. S24 FE is more than just a smartphone. It's a statement. It's a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, design, and delivering exceptional user experiences. From its stunning display to its powerful performance, the S24 FE checks all the boxes. It's a phone that's as beautiful as it is capable, and it's poised to be another fan favorite. If you're looking for a smartphone that offers flagship-level features at an accessible price point, look no further than the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. This is the ultimate smartphone experience.